everybody. Are you seeing what I'm showing you? This, you want to drink, Mom? Okay, when she comes back. Everybody, are you seeing what I'm showing you? This is a brand new Firecrackers game. We got $1,500 loaded. $5 at pennies is the maximum allowable bet, and that is where we shall begin. Look at this, everybody. There's a strike, a split. Oh my God. There's good stuff on this one, Ma. You better win some money for us today, everybody. Did I tell you Family Picker's here? Oh my God. Did I tell you this, everybody? She's here with us. Oh, I was too excited about the brand new game and getting drinks. You know? We got to get hydrated, Ma. We got a long day ahead of us to win big money. You know, we got to get fluids and hydrated and poppage. Ooh. You know, and I saw a brand new Firecracker game. I said, Daniel, oh my God. Oh, Lord, that was close, Mom. That was so close, everybody. Close but no cigar, as they say, you know? You know? That means you got close, but you didn't win a cigar. I don't know why you're winning cigars. Oh, my goodness. Green, blue means no bonus for you. All right, $7. Money back, money back, money back. Get your money back. Get your money. Oh, $50, Ma. That would have been lovely if you split it. Oh, my God, Ma. $10. Can you do it, Ma? Like, maybe even all four at once. I'm not looking up for that one. I knew it was going to trick me. That's why I didn't look, Ma. You got 2 more spins before we switch, everybody. Oh. All right, last spin, Ma. We're switching. Unless we did not switch, everybody. Oh, my God. That terrified me. $6, Ma. Let's see what happens now. We've bumped the bet to $6. You gotta get like at least 7 firecrackers, Ma. Maybe 22, 23, 24, 25 firecrackers. Oh, Lord, I almost let it trick me, but I didn't, Ma. Come on. We got this, everybody. Oh. I could have shabammed that one. $60. Damn. We don't even know what the strike or split does, Ma. I don't even know what it does, baby. Nothing yet, baby. No bonus. Oh, did you see the multiple one go by? All right. Oh, my God. There it is, Ma. Oh! Why didn't you get it? Oh, my goodness. Yeah, should have totally done millions of poppages. Come on, everybody. Oh, my babies. Oh, Lord, Mom, we got to switch. Unless. Oh, my God. She did it. Zone and extra. Stop dancing. Fist bump me, Mom. Oh, Lord, she's dancing. Here we go, everybody. I wish she popped the split, too. Look at this. Maybe. We don't know. Nobody knows, Mom. Oh, my God. You got the zone boost plus the extra spin. There you go. 4 spins. Come on, Ma. Get the other ones now. Ma. Here we go, everybody. Can we? Oh. Please. Oh, my God. You got the split. Yeah, you can dance. Oh, my God.
Oh, give us
4
4.
of them. Oh, my God.
Now we need to strike.
Yeah. Get the strike. Oh, my God, everybody. Please. Come on now. Hey. Oh, Lord. Uh-oh. Spaghetti-O, please land something, Ma. Come on now. Hey. Oh no, you gotta save it, Ma. You got one last. You gotta save it. Please, everybody, save it. No. Oh. It doesn't even multiply the minute for crying out loud. It's so disappointing, everybody, but it's under $50. That's less disappointing. La, la, la. Oh, Lord. There you go, Ma. You're back at it. We should bump you to $8. How you feel about this? $8, everybody. I ain't looking up for you by yourself, Red.
We were switching, huh?
Yeah, we were about to switch.
Yeah.
Then we got a multi-pop bonus. Oh, mini. How you? Oh, my God, everybody. Oh, double minis with a split and a how you doing? Oh, my goodness. Oh, yeah, yeah. Strike. We don't know what the strike does. We got, oh, strike, everybody. Oh, my God. I thought you did the strike, everybody. I thought she did it. I thought she did
Are we
it.
switching?
No, we got to give it a full 100 because you had made money.
Okay.
Here we go, everyone. Oh. I should have looked up. That was a double. I didn't realize it was a double until it was too late to look up, everybody. Oh, look, get it. Split your life. Oh, my God. He almost split your life, Mom. We need the strike. I got to see what it does. Show me what it does, baby. All right. Oh, here it comes, Mom. Oh, I thought it was here, Mom. Come on, baby. Oh, it would have been lovely, Mom. It would have been lovely. Here it comes. Yeah, 20. Oh, that's actually 40, not 20. Oh, Lord. I would have loved that at 40. Strike, Mom. I know. Oh, my friends. Ma, do the honors of changing this to 5 cents, please. There you go. Oh, Lord. Gotta do this to change it to money. $5 everybody. You know, we'll bump it when you're ready to, Ma. That means when you're winning. We'll bump it when she's winning, baby. Oh. Oh gosh, here we go. Yes! Split yourself! Alright, now you gotta land the strike, Mom.
Feature.
Here we go. Come on, Ma. Oh, look, 3 of them, Mom. Alright, everybody, here we go. Oh my God, strike, Mom. I need that strike in my life, everybody. There's the blue one. Will we get it? Oh, there's a split again. How about a strike? All right, zone me, baby. Zone me. Oh my God, trickery, Mom. Trickery with the zone. Come on. The new firecrackers. You got this, Ma. I got faith in you. Land it. Yeah. I'll take an extra spin right now. All right, split more stuff, Ma. Uh-oh. Yeah, oh my God, pop them all. Oh, dirty. I thought you were gonna get them all. Hey, hey, save it, 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 save it. Uh-oh. It's over, Mom. Count faster, please. 135 again. Isn't that what we made last time? 150 or so. All right, everybody. I thought it popped again, Ma. All right, let's bump the bet to 750. Why not? If we're gonna continue, Ma. Here we go. Oh my God, back to back. Oh, shabam. Let's go, everyone. The family picker's gonna do some magic now. Oh, my God, strike. I thought you had it, Ma. I was ready to strike some stuff. That was $150 strike, everybody. Oh, again. Come on. I need a strike. Yes, I do. That's not a strike split. That's a strike. That's a strike. Oh no, it left one open. Oh my God. You see that tiny little bit, everybody? It tricked me. That tiny little bit tricked me into thinking I had a bonus. Oh, Ma, we got to switch to dams. Unless, oh my goodness, dams, everybody. That terrified me. Terrified me. All right. $5, Ma, like we do. The moment it tells us that it's going to do better, we'll switch. Ooh. All right, now get all four. And if you can't get all four, at least get the strike. Come on, baby. I need a strike. Oh, Lord, I need a strike. Come on, baby, give me a strike. Oh, 1266. Ma, you got to get us a bonus. What's happening right now?
I know, huh? Maybe four of them is gonna come together.
Yeah, four at once? All right. That's a good deal, Ma. I'll take it. Do you promise? Oh, she does not promise, everybody. I wish she could. Oh, my God, Ma. You said four at once. She lied to us, everybody. Oh, she said four. Maybe it'll come later. That doesn't mean she lied, but you know, definitely made us feel like it was coming right away. It made me feel like it was coming right away. I got my hopes up. Oh my God, is this it? Oh look, those are both one away. I know, Ma. It's Firecracker City right now. Oh, Lord. All right, one more spin. We got to go to dollars now, Ma. Dollars it is, everybody. Oh, my God. Minimum 10, everybody. Go ahead, Ma. Minimum 10. Nice, $5. Oh, please, $50 strike. Oh, my God. That would have been a lovely strike, Ma. $50. Oh, 20. 20. Come on. La 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 la. La 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 la.
They're not coming.
They will come. Oh, good job, Bomba. There it is, everybody. It's strike time. Strike. Oh, I know, Ma. We just need. Oh, here it comes. This is it. Ma, why'd you lie to me? You told me it was coming. Oh, the Fajinski of this moment. All right, Ma, $2. And it's minimum 20, everybody. This is the terrifying part. 5 spins. Oh, Lord. Let it happen. Let it happen, everybody. Let it happen. Oh, this is it. Oh, come on. All right, people. One more spin. Oh, strike, 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 strike. Dirty. All right, we're going to do one more round, everybody. At a less. That could have been it. We're going to do one more round at a higher bet, everybody. But we got to start at 5 because that's the maximum allowable at pennies. Come on. Oh, my God. There he is. Oh, yeah. There's a blue one. I ain't looking up for just the blue one, though. Oh. 99999. Oh. I ain't looking up for you. Oh, my God. 25. Oh, my babies. Oh, 10 and 12, 250. Come on, baby. Oh, my God. Yes. Oh, $100. Oh, my God. $100. Oh. Daniel's very sad because he needs. Is this it? I thought I was gonna not be sad just then. My God, that strike is out of control, Mom. It is the most stubborn strike in the world. Oh Lord, stubborn strike, everybody. Stubborn. Oh my God. Stubborn strike. Oh, 50, baby. Oh my God. Oh. I got, oh yeah, $5. It's being stubborn, huh, Mom? I agree with you.
Yeah.
Oh, right now, though. Right now, though. Oh.
They're not even moving.
I know. Fudginski, Mom. Oh, 25. All right, 2 pennies it is. 2 pennies, $10. Here we go, everybody.
Come on.
Family Picker doing her business now. It's going to be, oh, my God. Oh, now look at 3 of them have one little one left. Oh, my God. Oh, my God, Ma. You're doing so good, but so bad right now, you know? Oh, my goodness. Oh, yeah. Ma, you want a cranberry?
Yes, please. No ice.
Cranberry, no ice, Ma. And I'll just take a Pepsi. Thank you. Oh, my God, 50, Ma? Oh, Lord. Oh, yeah, it was the 2 pennies. You're right, Ma. Oh, my God. 50-50. That's also 100 twice. Oh, my God. All right, we got to switch now to the 5-cent laugh, everybody. You want to... Oh, my God, less? Oh, Lord. All right, you want to do the... Oh, yeah, no more spins, Ma. 5-penny laugh. And $10.
Come on, do it.
Yeah, come on, do it.
it.
Come on, do it, everybody. Come on, do it.
Strike.
I ain't even gonna care about that strike anymore, Ma. It has broken my heart. You know? It has broken my heart. Oh, Lord. Everybody, oh, Lord, I apologize for that terrible camera work just now. I forgot what I was saying, too. I was using words, and then they disappeared from my mind. You know? That happens sometimes to me. You did it!
I got the
She got the strike, everybody.
Feature.
Oh, my God, on $10. Here we go. Strike, baby. Oh, is this the bird?
Oh,
This is the bird, Ma.
yeah, you're right.
Plus $10. It's the bird, everybody.
Hopefully we pop the others.
It's the bird. Where's my bird? Yeah, oh my God, Ma, split it. Split it so we get 2 birds. Oh, there's the bird. That's scary. Oh, it only does the one with the bird on it.
Oh,
You got to be a bird man to get the bird money. Yeah, oh, split, baby. Oh, oh my God, it tricked me, and then the bird scared me. Come on, Ma. Blue. I'll take a blue zone. Oh, you got, Ma, you did it.
Zone active.
That's incredible how you did this, Ma. Oh, Lord. And the bird's here. $10 more in bird money, Ma. Come on, let's get the split now. Oh my God, everything, Ma. Everything, Ma. Oh, bird money. $10 more in bird money, everybody. Come on. Yes, all of them. Oh. Yeah, come on. Uh-oh. Come on, Ma. Yeah, buddy. Whoa. Oh, Lord.
but if you notice, we're not getting any under the bird.
No more bird monies. I know. It's scary. Oh, my goodness. Come on, Ma. Land something, please. Oh, yeah. Please save it, Ma. Oh, my God. Everybody save it, save it, save it. Please save it. Please save it. Yes. Oh, and you got the good one. That's 3 times because the bird money. Oh, hell yeah. Get it, Ma.
It does for
Yeah, of course. It better, or else I'll punch them. You know, I'll punch them if they don't give us that one, Ma. Come on, land one. There you go, my God. Oh, pop them. Oh, bird money. Hell, oh my God, 2 more, Ma. Oh my God, everybody. Oh, the bird. Oh my God, Ma. You need 1 more for the grand, everybody. Oh, Lord, here we go. Oh, I don't see it, Ma. Oh, Lord, please land it. Be there. Surprise us. All right, Ma, voodoo. Best voodoo of your life. Please be there. Please be there. Surprise us. Be there now. Oh, it's his stupid face. Oh, we got a good multiplier on everything, Ma. Look at this. It does multiply the big one. We did great. This is a good one. Hell yeah, everybody. $560. Cash money. Look at this, everybody. We did it. The strike is the bird, Ma. We know now. All right. Oh, you know what? Let's bump it to $12.50. Why not, Ma? Good idea.
It's not too soon.
Oh, no, it's never too soon, Ma. Look at that, $30.
Okay, baby.
It's never too. It could go back to back right now. In 2 spins, it could give us another 4 pop or something. You'll
Which
see.
one you like more? The split?
All of them.
Zone? Yeah, you're right.
All of them. Strike. Anything else? No, just strike. Ma, good job. $12.50.
Feature.
Woohoo, everybody. Woohoo. Woohoo. Only 1 bird again, Ma. Let's pop the others, though. Woohoo. All right, let's see what happens, everybody. Multi-pop. Yeah, pop it, Ma.
Come on.
Get the split. Split it. Ooh. My bird's here. $12.50 in bird money, Ma. Come on, everybody. Oh, a mini. $125 mini, Ma. And the bird's here.
I wish Minnie has a bird.
I wish the mini would get a bird, too. Here we go. Uh-oh. Come on, land it. How about all 4 firecrackers? Come on. Uh-oh, uh-oh. Ma, you gotta save this. Save it, Ma. Save it. Oh, no! Oh, what a potato. Oh, my God. 200 exactamundo. 200 fist bump. That's all right. Look at that. Back to $14.99. Do it again, Ma.
We almost back our money.
Do it again. Yeah, we are almost back to our money. You're right. Oh my goodness. Ah. Drink and drink time. Get it? Oh, thank you.
Thank you so
Appreciate
much.
you. Thank you. Everybody, cheers. Oh my God. Oh, look, guys. Oh, let me cheers mom when she's there. You go.
Cheers,
Cheers,
guys.
everybody. Oh Lord, clink.
Your fingers was there.
I apologize, everybody, for that delay, but we had to cheers and then a bonus. Oh my God, mom.
Over $15.
Oh, strike again?
Oh,
Come on, ma, you got this. La 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 la.
do it.
Mom was excited for that one.
Yeah. That was on 2,500.
Yeah. Come on, split. Do one more for $12.99, ma. Oh, never mind. Do it anyway. All right, people. Time for dance. Time for dance.
I think that we have to change it every time.
$10. I know. It makes you touch it every time, ma. That's how it works. You ready? Here we go. We need all. We haven't popped what 4 yet, so let's do 4. Can you do 4, ma? This is important. Oh my God.
Now,
That could have been
you
it.
didn't hear me.
I'm surprised. Oh, come on.
Oh, that thing.
I saw the minute go by. I love a good minute, everybody. You know this. Guys? Oh, it tricked me too on top of everything. One more spin, man. We're up in the bed. We're up in the bed. Before I move on. Wait a minute. That's enough for 2 more spins, ma. Unless. Oh, Lord. Final moment. All right, ma. I'm bumping you to 15 before we move on. Oh, my God. Here it comes. Watch this. Everybody. Oh, strike, ma. That's the bird. Oh, bird money. Oh, 150, ma.
Get it.
Oh, that's a good one, too. They're all good ones. I ain't looking up for your split. You should have just split if you wanted to split. Guys? Oh, last chance, man. We got to go to dollars. Please? Oh, the menorah is $300 right now. Oh, you get one more spin first, ma. Now we switch to the... Stop terrifying me, jerk. $20, ma. This is a crazy moment right now. Oh my God, here it comes. Oh my goodness gracious. Here we go. Oh, the final frontier is here, ma. Alas. $2, final frontier, 20 minimum. Good luck, ma. Karate Palabaloo. Come on, everybody. Oh. Come on. Oh. Ma, do it again. You got one more. You got one more. Maybe 2 more. Oh, my God. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. That was $500 by itself. Okay. Okay. Oh, my God. Somebody's kapowing themselves, everybody. Oh, I'm nervous. I'm nervous. Oh, my God. Please strike me. Oh. Oh, ooh, nice job, Ma. You got yourself 2 more spins. Ma, I need the best karate chop you've ever done in your life. Oh, come on. Dude, do it. Damn. Everybody, $800. The brand new Bao Zhu Zhao Fu, also known as the Firecrackers. Everybody, I love you all. I appreciate you all. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you guys next time.